pleasant morning to all. So, we are the students of Bright Foundation studying in class 10, and we are the group witches. So, today we are going to present our prototype, which is called Kinetic Self Cleaning Backpack. So, I am Hashima.
I'm Nitosna, I'm Vikshita, and I'm John.
And let's hear the problem from our friend Jarvin.
In our visual life, we often put wet clothes, damp towels, or leftover food in our backpack, which make them unhygienic and unpleasant to use. Dirt, moisture, and lack of ventilation cause them molting and even skin infection over time. So, as a solution to this problem, we found a both scientific and social solution. With the combination of renewable energy, safety, and hygiene into one low-cost, portable, and sustainable innovation. But how does this actually work? Let's hear it from our friend Lista.
So we ask ourselves, what if a backpack cleans itself that is on its own? Our backpack is made up of hydrophobic material, so water simply slides off it. But the real innovation lies in the UV light system powered by kinetic energy. There are kinetic pads on the straps, back, and the surface of the backpack. As we move or walk, these pads convert motion into energy, which then powers the UV light system inside the backpack. This UV light system works quietly to kill the bacteria, remove the odor, and prevent mold growth, keeping the backpack clean, hygienic, and safe without using electricity or battery. So, our action and movements become the power to clean our backpack.
Now, let's take a closer look to the prototype of our innovation. So, the strap and the base of the backpack are fitted with kinetic strips, which then captures movement and it captures energy from our simple movements like walking, running, or even shifting the backpack. So, this energy harvested powers a UV light system which lies inside the backpack. So this UV light system neutralizes the bad odor and prevents any further bacterial infection. So these are connected with wires and with every movement, we move with safety, hygienic, and a self-sustaining way of life.
Our hydrokinetic smart backpack isn't just a product, it's a step towards submarine Bharat. By promoting cleanliness, hygiene, and renewable resources, this innovation supports the clean, healthy, and progressive India. It encourages self-reliance and self-reliance and sustainable living by inspiring local manufacturers to build smart and eco-friendly products with our country. Because true prosperity with Bharat comes from ideas that makes life safer, cleaner, healthier, and smarter for everyone.